Samsung upcoming Galaxy S24 series is set to be announced in a few weeks, and as the event approaches, leaks are detailing the pricing of the Samsung new lineup as well as the potential removal of the satellite connectivity. Two separate price leaks of the Galaxy S24 series has surfaced this week, both suggesting that Samsung will raise the price of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Galaxy Club reports that the Ultra will cost around 1449 in Euro for its base 256GB model. That's up from the 1399 price of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Ronald Conrad of WinFuture adds that pricing in the Sweden for the Galaxy S24 Ultra starts at 17,919 SEK, with the 512GB model coming in at 19,490 Swedish kronor. While Samsung website does not list the 256GB price in Sweden currently, the 512 model is priced around 18,919 Swedish kronor, slightly less than the incoming S24 Ultra. So, by all accounts, it is certainly appears that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will see a higher price. Whether that translates to the US remains to be seen, though the S23 Ultra start at $1199, and based on these price out of Europe, $1249 seems like a reasonable expectation. Meanwhile, there are conflicting reports on the S24 and S24 Plus pricing. Ronald Cotton says that the S24 will start at 11,419 kronor in Sweden, the same price in the current S23. Galaxy S24 Plus would start at 14,419 Swedish kronor, also unchanged from the prior model. But Galaxy Clubs claim that the rest of the Europe, the two lesser model could actually see lower price compared to last year. Galaxy S24 would start at 899 euros, down from 949, and the S24 Plus apparently lands at 1149, down from 1199. Part of ultra price increase, Galaxy Club speculates could be because of more RAM with the base model now include 12GB rather than 8. In the Europe, we already know there has been some taxation policies which may change, and that's why we see a price hike in different countries of the Europe. So definitely in the US we can expect to have lower price. And here moving forward, ET News report that Samsung is in the midst of network testing in Korea, and that the Galaxy S24 series apparently will not include satellite connectivity yet again. Satellite support has become a topic of discussion since Apple has added the feature to its iPhone 14 series in 2022, but Samsung has surprisingly skipped over it thus far. With the Galaxy S23 series, Samsung said that it is waiting on the tech to be ready, but at this point, it is unclear what the company is waiting on, especially now when its own cellular modem for Exynos chipset support the tech, and Exynos is expected to be used in some capacity on the Galaxy S24 series. I think that Qualcomm recently pulled out the plug of its own satellite connectivity features, and that's probably going to be the reason that we are seeing pretty quiet in terms of the new efforts for the technology. And whatever the case may be, the device is not going to be supporting the satellite connectivity. And as we know that the launch event is just around the corner, and the tagline is Galaxy AI, which means that this device is going to be featuring some massive AI features inside its software. Its launch will be in the mid of January, particularly January 17 is the date that most leaker has been circulating on X. So definitely we are waiting for that. And you guys, these are some of the latest leaks coming for the S24 series. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.